Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support, and today I'm going to show you how to change the data fields on your Instinct. Data fields are useful insights that are available during your activity. To change the data fields, begin by pressing the GPS button. Then, scroll down and select the activity you would like to change the data fields for. Press and hold the menu button to access the menu, and then select the activity settings, and then data screens. This is where you will be able to change any of the data field screens. To begin the process, press the GPS button. This will take you to the field menu, where your data screens are displayed. The location of the data field on the screen can be seen in the dial. Now, select the field number that you would like to change, and then select the specific category that you would like to view during the activity. For this video, I'm going to choose a heart rate category. However, there are many other options for you to choose from. Now, select the specific option that you would like to view. This will take you back to the field menu. Press the back button and the data field will be changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.